Dear participants, welcome to the session on creation of WordPress website. The learning outcomes of this session is, at the end of the session, the learners will be able to create a website of using WordPress platform. At the end of this session, the learners will be able to launch WordPress website. There are 5 steps are involved in WordPress website creation. First, you have to prepare a free account to create website using WordPress platform. Then you have to register for a free plan by choosing the appropriate domain name. Then launch the WordPress website, and last step is customize the website as per your need. That is, you can add pages, blocks, files, medias, and you can able to change the appearance of your website. So to create a website using WordPress platform, you have to open the web address, that is wordpress.com. Then you have to click on this Start Your WordPress. Then you have to create an account on wordpress.com by providing email address, username and password. You have to choose a username and password, and then click on Create Your Account button. So here it will show a step 2 of 3. In this step, you have to choose a domain name. So just I will type a pedagogian and scroll down. So here there are some of suggestions are automatically given by the wordpress.com. The suggestions in such a way that with the suffix to your domain name. For example, pedagogian.ind.in, but it has some charges. Similarly, the pedagogian.org.in, it also has a charge. Pedagogian.firm.in, it also has a charge. Same thing for the pedagogians.com and pedagogian.net.in. But if you want to create your site freely, then you have to choose this domain name. Remember that if you want to start your WordPress websites with the free account without paying any charges, then your address must contain the suffix wordpress.com. So I want to start my website using free plan. So I will click on this select button. So here it will show some plans again: personal plan, premium plan, business and e-commerce plan. But I want to start with a free plan. So I will click at Start with a Free Site button. The window will pop up with the message that your site will be ready shortly. So WordPress website is created. So to get the start, to creation of or addition of content, just click on the Get Started button. Before to do any activity, first we have to confirm our email address. So for that, just click on Confirm Email Address, but it will not confirm from this side. To confirm our email address, we have to log in into our email account and try to find out the email from wordpress.com. Here I have received an email from wordpress.com. So I will open it and then I will click on this button, that is click here to confirm email now. Then it will ask the email address. Just provide the email address or username. Then click on continue. Then enter the password and then click on login. Now our email account is get confirmed. So now first step is to give the name to the WordPress website. So for that purpose, just click on name your site button. Then provide the site title, and then you can able to add a site tagline also. Once you have added the site title and site tagline, then click on this save setting button. So here a new message will pop up that your site is a private. So it is not available for anyone, as it is only visible to you. Why? Because we have not launched our site. So to launch the site, you have to click on this launch site button. Here you can able to change the domain name of your site. If you want to continue with the previous name, you can. So here also they will give an options with the some suffix. For example, pedagogians.in with some charges, pedagogian.co.in with some charges. If you have already some domain name, you can continue with this domain name of your firm. And if you want to start the free, if you don't want the purchase, then click on this skip purchase button, because this pedagogians.wordpress.com site is a free one. So just click on the skip purchase to start with the free plan. Then click on this button, continue with your site. Your site will be ready shortly. So here our created WordPress website has launched successfully. So just click on view site button to view the created website. So this is the look of created websites, and this is the web address of WordPress website, that is pedagogians.wordpress.com with the title of site and tagline of site. You can able to change the appearance of this website by changing the themes. You can able to add the pages, blocks, medias, files, video into your WordPress website. So this WordPress website is used as a content management system in order to add the OER, that is Open Educational Resource, that is your educational content is added into your WordPress websites, and it made available to the students for the learning purpose. Dear learners, so far we have discussed how to create and launch the WordPress website. In next video, we will discuss how to customize our WordPress website. Thank you. Happy learning.